Does it?
Okay, let me just explain the style, but I don't know it.
Okay. How's the style? Style one up there. Favorite sex style. What's up? It's your boy Lucky Sulturn, now I'm saying tight shit, now I'm saying I'm here in Rosebank Mall, now I'm saying I'm with my boys, now I'm saying the people and boys, now I'm saying hey man, what's up? What you here then? What you here then?
Yeah, you have to change.
What you here then?
Can I ask you a question?
I'm here with Lil Daddy, know what I'm saying?
Yeah, Lil Daddy, I know how to get lit. They get lit, Lil Daddy, So don't forget to subscribe, follow, like and share.
Yes sir. Now I'm saying
Fight your grandma, she's gonna like this one, you know what I'm saying?
I'm saying that's my line, dog. You just changed it to grandma, dog.
Yeah, so why not?
Tell your mom about this. I'm here with
What's up? It's your boy Allmighty G in Rosebank. Nah, I'm saying. I'm saying. Make sure you like, you comment, you share. And I'm saying, yeah, share to your mom, to your friends, to everyone in your family.
Yes sir, tight shit. I said we're doing this shit, yes sir. Now I'm saying tight shit. Hey man, what's up? It's your boy Lucky Sulturn. I'm back again. I'm still in Rosebank Mall. Hi, I'm here with
Hope.
What?
Hope.
I'm here with
Tai.
Okay, you guys have Instagrams.
Yes.
Is that your Instagram?
Yes.
That's your Instagram also?
Usis Hope, no. Usis Hope.
Usis Hope.
Yes.
This is how old are you, Usis Hope?
I'm 23.
You ain't that old, but you can use it.
Yeah, so someone's sister.
Okay. So the first question, guys, is a bit explicit, Please, just answer me. Anything now saying. What's your favorite sex style?
I don't have.
You don't have?
No.
Just think of one. Come on.
6'9".
You?
I don't even know this.
You see, don't lie on the public platform.
Yeah. You don't even understand. Okay, how is the style?
No, I don't know all the styles.
There's that one, Come on, there's that one,
There's nothing, guys.
Okay. Let's say there was a style that you like, that you preferred, and you had to choose, between me. Hey, yo, pull up. Hey, Almighty, pull up. Yeah, pull up. Okay, let's say you had to choose between me and this guy, who would you let do the sex style with? Between the two of us. Let's say we're the last two boys on earth. Yeah. Dancing and you had no option.
It's okay.
Come on, don't be scared. That's it.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Okay, let me just explain the style, but I don't know it.
Okay. How's the style? Style one up there. Shit. Okay. Okay, so who would you let do the style with you?
My boyfriend.
Besides, let's say your boyfriend wasn't there, dog. Come on, say shit. Let's say your boyfriend wasn't there, say shit.
I'd rather not have sex, Jim.
You? Right, go back to where you were. Go back to where you were. Okay. The last question is, I've never done this in public, can I cuff both of you?
No. She's my sister.
So?
What do you mean cuff both of us? That's madness. No.
Why not? Itala can
Kai. No.
What do you say she's your sister? So you rather be cuffed to the stranger?
Yeah.
Nah, this wasn't the cuff she was talking about, you know what I'm saying?
Can I ask the question?
Yeah, ask the questions. I look pain.
Just 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Are you smart?
Yeah.
Scale of 1 up to 10.
Wait, let me get out here. Try say.
7. Are you also smart?
Yeah.
Scale of 1 up to 10.
10.
10.
Yeah.
Okay, can I ask you a question?
Ask.
Don't help her, ne? Okay. So let's say there's an aeroplane.
Sorry?
There's an aeroplane carrying passengers to Zim. Then it crashes. Where do you bury survivors?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Back home.
Back home.
Yeah.
That's where you bury survivors.
Oh, we don't bury the survivor.
No, you don't bury the survivors. Okay, I got one for you. Okay, I got one.
That wasn't a question. That was a really.
Yeah, you must be smart. You said you're smart, so you must work around it. Okay, can I ask you a question also? Okay, let's say we in a race. I'm in second place. You pass me, you become number what?
1.
You become number what? Do you wanna?
Second place.
Yeah, you pass me. You become number
1.
You become number 1. And what do you think, my sister?
I mean, I didn't hear the question. What?
Okay, we in a race. I'm in second place. You pass me. You become number what?
But I've been passing you. I haven't passed you. I'm in number 1.
You pass me. We in a race. You pass me in second place. You become number what?
I pass you into you in second place.
Yeah, you pass me in second place. You become number what?
1.
You become number 1. Sorry, I'm in second place. I'm in second place. You pass me in second place.
Oh, and then I'm number 2.
Yeah, thank you.
Number 2, there's someone in front of him.
Oh yeah, thank you for. And your Instagram, Yankee?
Oh, he didn't say that he's number 1. He's the only one. Hey, we are born.
Yeah, I'm the only one. I'm in second place. I said I'm in second place. I said I'm in second place.
Thank you for your time, ne? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Make sure you guys subscribe, ne? Tell your friends about this. Tell your moms about this. We out. Hey man, what's up? It's your boy, like you saw saying. I'm back again. I'm in Rose more, and I'm saying Tai Sheet. Yes, sir. Hi, I'm here with
Asakanya.
Hi, I'm with
Angel.
Bless you. And this is
Little, you know it.
I so ladies, the first question I'm gonna ask you is like a bit explicit, ne? If you girl like don't feel comfortable with it, nah, yeah, just do an X, okay? Yeah. So like, what's your favorite sex style?
Yeah. We don't have experience.
She wants to say something. Come on.
Like I just thought that was kind of no.
I don't know.
Yeah, it sounds kind of inappropriate. I don't know. We just finished high school, so it's like we don't have.
But you old enough, no?
Are we?
Yeah.
Are we?
You are.
We're 17, all of us.
17, all of you. Yeah. Shit, it's the popos. Shit. Okay. The next question is not to lie. Now I've never done this like in front of the camera, ne? But can I cuff you?
No.
Why? I just want to try a new thing.
No, I'm taken anyway.
You taken? Can I cuff you?
You scared of it?
Why?
No.
I just want to test out my new handcuffs.
No, I don't
my handcuffs.
like
I just wanted to test my new handcuffs out. What do you think I was talking? You talking? You telling me about a boyfriend?
No, because like, you know what, Jen? We all know cuffing is something different. How is that supposed to do? You have actual handcuffs.
Okay, can I cuff?
Even if, like, this is weird. Why would you just want to cuff someone on the road?
Why not? Cops do it.
Like, are you a cop?
I just
You never know. You never know.
No, we don't want to be
I'm a
cuffed.
cop,
Thank you.
so that's why I want
You
to
don't have to
cuff
cuff.
you don't have to cuff. Can I also ask you a question? Sure. You don't mind. Yes, sure.
I tried to
Sure.
that you know, ladies.
You smart.
What type of questions are you gonna ask us?
Are you smart?
You're gonna ask us questions to make
Are you
us
smart?
stupid.
Nah. It's just simple questions. If you just know that. Think careful. Think before you talk, right? If I ask you, must think before you talk. But you're not supposed to hear each other, right? Okay. Can I start with you? Why not? Yeah, I can start here. Okay.
You just
Oh, they're nervous. Okay, don't be nervous, right? So, can I ask you? Okay, let's say there's an aeroplane carrying passengers to Zim and it crashes.
I know this question.
Where do you bury the survivors?
Wait, repeat the question.
There's an aeroplane going to Zim carrying passengers, then it crashes between the border of Zim and South Africa. Where do you bury the survivors?
Like, wait, repeat the question just one more time. No.
They died. That was a crash.
Yeah, that was a crash. Where do you bury them?
No, the survivors.
You don't bury survivors.
Don't bury survivors.
No.
Wait.
Yeah, you they survive. Why you trying to bury people survive?
But okay, if there were survivors, then you don't bury them.
Then you don't bury them.
Yeah.
Okay, so that one is solved.
That is so stupid.
Okay, let me ask you another one. Let me ask you another one. We in a race. We in a race. I'm in second place. You pass me. You become number what? You become number one.
Yeah, you're second place.
Yeah.
So I passed you.
Yeah.
So I'm number one.
Number one.
No, he's second place.
You're number two.
Yeah,
You are not
number
your second place.
Oh, there's someone before you. So I'm number two.
So you
Yeah,
second
you become number two.
Yeah.
Okay, this one is mad. Okay.
And I've yes,
Oh, you've seen that question? Oh, okay, that's a good one. So you want?
Our question.
Okay, what do you wanna ask me? You can ask.
Let's
You
just
can
like,
ask. Yeah, you can ask.
theorem.
what is the Pythagoras theorem? Say it.
That's the best I could come up with.
What?
The Pythagoras theorem.
What's that?
If you post this video, include this clip. Include this clip.
Wait.
Like in this defense.
What? Like, come on. Okay. In English, what's that?
It's like, okay, it's maths basically. So.
Yeah.
We both
How do you explain it?
I never went.
Oh, let's answer another question.
Yeah, let him ask. Let him ask.
What is on the 50 rand note?
Yeah?
What, guys?
It's only 50 rand note.
On the 50 rand note,
It's what? Isn't it like a Barack Obama?
nah, it's Mandela.
Please include this.
It's Mandela.
Okay, here's my question.
Yeah, you can ask.
You're 4. Nah? Your sibling is half your age. When you're 50, how old is your sibling?
I'm 25. Yeah? I'm 50.
You're 50, how old is your sibling?
58.
Yeah.
Dog, I feel dumb, dog. I feel dumb.
Okay, so your Instagram name, you still want to ask another one?
I honestly, like if
Okay, yeah.
I should have been
You ask me, let me ask you. Okay, don't help it.
But you already asked.
Don't help it. This one is the last one. This one is the last one. Don't help it. Between Cape Town, Joburg or Durban, which province do you think have the most population?
Between?
Gauteng.
Gauteng. Oh, Gauteng. Okay. It's bad. Yeah. Okay. Between Cape Town, Durban, Johannesburg, which province do you think have the most population?
Name them again.
Durban, Cape Town, or Johannesburg? Which province do you think have the most?
Those aren't provinces.
Okay, what is the question?
Cape Town, Durban, they caught me. They're smart. So I finally got people who are smart. At least there was no money on the line. Because I was gonna lose my mind. So can you Instagram here?
Your mine is so
Triple S and 4 A's. It's Luna. Yeah.
A and G. So it's A Y 3 U's U N G I E.
That's just
Period. A and G.
And then
Asakanya.
Asakai.
Yeah. Yeah, but then when you like, it's divided. Like it's underscore sa underscore ka underscore nya. Just but then if you just say Asakanya, it shows. Yeah.
if you see something with
No problem. Thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and
comment and like, guys.
Yeah.
See you later.
Notification bell.
click the notification button. Okay.
And thank you very much, guys. And then you know what I'm about to say, and then we out.
Hey man, what's up? It's your boy Lucky Sulturn. I'm back again. I'm still in Rose Pink Mall. Now I'm here with
Leah,
Leah. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Where you from?
From Alberton.
Okay, can I ask you a question, Leah? What's your favorite sex position?
Bye.
That's confidential. I
Let's
don't know.
conversation. Okay. Let's say you had a favorite position, ne? Okay, between me and this guy, ne? Between me and this guy, who would you let? Yeah. Between me and this guy, who would you let smash?
Guys, I can't answer questions like this.
Come on.
No, hey, I'm a church lady.
Okay. Wait. Last question. I've never done this in public, ne? Okay. Can I cuff you?
Woo! I'm already cuffed.
Nah, can I cuff you?
What's that?
Like serious?
No.
Why?
I can't do that.
I wanna.
No, I'm fine. This is
What you think of sober?
No, hey.
What you think of sober? What you say you could already cuff? What you think of sober?
Like in a relationship. No.
I fade. Okay, shout out to.
To all my friends, all my family. Elisa.
She doesn't wanna show her face, man. I could have blurred that shit out. But hey, man, shout out to you. Make sure you subscribe. Out. So today, what we finna do? We finna cause a scene in Rosebank Mall. Now I'm saying, I'ma pretend like I'm a thief. Now I'm saying, these niggas gonna come and handcuff me. As you can see, I got them handcuffs. Now I'm saying, and then we're gonna try and cause a little scene. Now I'm saying, just want the security guards to react. Now I'm saying,
Because we love drama.
and like people. Now I'm saying, just for the drama, just for the fucks of it.
Everyone
Hopefully
loves
they don't kick us out.
Everyone loves
Hopefully they don't like kick us out.
Yeah.
Now I'm saying, I ain't even dripped up for this shit. Now I'm saying, so I wanna look like a criminal. Now I'm saying, like a thug. You know what I'm saying?
Let
Type
us
shit.
look like undercover cops.
Nah, not undercover cops. Like maybe people a lot of stole from. You know what I'm saying? Type shit.
Yeah.
Yo, go pretend like.
Utshintshile le mfana.
La papa, sitshontshe emotweni.
Bachita.
Okay, lo mfana lo yahlanya lo. Okay, sadlala ke.
That's fine. That's fine. That's
Machine.